Hey woodworkers, Howard County Woodworkers Guild. This is David in the next video of what I'm doing while we're all inside for the coronavirus pandemic shelter in place process here. So I've been working on the drawers for this sideboard cabinet that I've been working on. So you can see here the drawers. Here's the dovetail joinery that I cut. I got half blind dovetails in the front between the poplar sides and the oak fronts, and full dovetails here in the back with the poplar back and sides. You can see a view from the front here. Again, here's these half blind dovetails at the front. So I got those all cut for both drawers, got the drawers fit together, and then I fit these traditional solid wood panel bottoms here made out of a couple of poplar boards glued up to get them wide enough, and then beveled the edges so they would fit in the dado that I have that I cut around the edge. I cut that on the table saw with the dado blade. So that drawer's ready to glue together, and here's the other drawer over here sitting on top of the cabinet. And they fit very tightly right now. The way I make my drawers is that I fit them, hopefully I can do this with one hand here. I fit them to the exact size of the opening. Well, the clamp's in the way there. Anyway, I fit them to the exact size of the opening so that they fit actually too tightly at first. And then once the case is glued up, I plane them down to fit properly in the drawer. So they're slightly oversized compared to where they'll be for the finished project, but they'll just a little bit of hand planing, and I'll be able to custom fit those to exactly the right size fit for the opening. And I also made these blocks for the top of the case. They're going to help add some rigidity and stiffness to the case here, and also they'll serve a double purpose here, being a top, I forget what the term for it is, but there's a top bar for the drawer, so the drawer won't tend to flop too much when it opens, so that the back edge of the drawer will be able to ride along here and keep the drawer from flopping around much. And then the other thing I've done is I've made my little buttons to hold the top on. Cut these slots with the dado, domino machine. So that's what made those, and then made these buttons. I did a separate video for that whole process. If you're interested in how that went, I did a separate video for that. So things I have left, I've got just a little bit more work inside the case, and my top, I've made the top, but I want to bevel the edge of it on the underside, so I'm going to do that with a hand plane. That's what I'm going to do next here, to get that ready to attach to the top. And then I think I'm ready for finish sanding and finishing, and I got to figure out how I'm going to finish this thing. I haven't decided that yet, so that'll probably be my next video about all the finish steps.